In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice via the Xero network. Whether you're a small business owner or manage accounting for a company, sending invoices efficiently is vital. Xero's platform is designed to make this process seamless, and I'll guide you through every step with clarity and ease. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the top menu bar, where you'll find an option labeled Business. This area of the platform is central to managing your financial tasks, so it's beneficial to get well acquainted with it early on. Now, hover over Business, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoices. This section is where you will manage all your billings and payments, and it's indeed a crucial area to become familiar with. Here, you can access a wealth of information about your outstanding invoices, which helps keep your accounting up to date. The next step involves navigating to the specific invoices you want to send. Locate the Awaiting Payment section. Clicking on this option will present you with a list of all invoices that haven't been settled yet. This ensures that the invoices you're preparing to send are current and still need addressing by the recipient, which is important for maintaining timely cash flow. Once you've found the invoices you'd like to send, go ahead and select them carefully from the list. This is your moment to ensure everything is in order. You want to double-check that you've chosen the right invoices to avoid any mix-ups or confusion. Once you have your final selection, look for the Email button, usually located in the action bar. This button will open up an email template that you will use to send your invoices. Before hitting Send, it's crucial to review the email template. Double-check the recipient's email address and make sure the accompanying message, if there is one, is accurate and appropriate. This step is vital to ensure that your communication is professional and clear, setting the right tone with the invoice recipient. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the email details, click the Send button. Xero will process the email, and your selected invoices will be on their way to the respective recipients. It's as simple as that. Remember, being thorough at every step helps prevent any future complications or misunderstandings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully sent your invoices via the Xero network. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also keeps your accounting organized and efficient. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps simplify your invoicing tasks, making your business operations a little bit easier.